All right, kiddos. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. It's our first full day in Palm Springs. What?
I want to see the weapon.
Oh,
I'm
okay.
Sheriff. The Sheriff? I got the ginger scope and the ginger knife.
Okay.
And I have a silver gun. You got a silver
All
gun.
right, so we're preparing our breakfast for our first full day in Palm Springs. Looks like we're gonna be cooking some bacon.
Hey, oh, they're jumping.
Where'd it go? You just stare at the camera like trying to figure out, and then she slowly turns back and then she looks up.
Really?
Like,
Can they see you or just hear you?
No, they can just hear us.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I startled them because I talked through the cameras and shorts, but I don't know
Yeah,
what
I
those
saw
are.
that, but I didn't know how to.
We could look it up and figure it out. Because is that like what people don't like?
This is our view. The view from our
Yeah,
room
because
is a view of the mountains.
It gives them the it's that constant the attention span on it because it's so short. They're constantly.
Oh.
You know, you see what I mean?
Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah, we'll have to.
Looks good.
Oh yeah,
Good morning, guys. Today,
What are we doing today?
I went to the pool again.
You want to go to the pool? We went swimming last night.
And then we're gonna go
Yeah.
to Auntie Jen's
We're gonna go to Auntie Jen's aunt's house this afternoon.
I know.
What about you, Maya? Say hi.
Hey,
Say hi.
Allergy.
Hi,
That's what
guys.
Your mom.
Here. What are you doing?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I just sorry. I meant to tell you that.
Yeah.
So the bacon is sizzling. Some more over here.
Travel hack. It's our travel hack.
Yep.
You don't have to use the.
You don't have to use the
Public.
the grill.
This is easier. Smells yummy. You're gonna wake up everybody.
They can smell. They can smell it.
Mhm.
All right. Looks good.
Good.
Yummy, 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 yummy.
What are you waiting for?
The bacon.
Do you smell it?
Bye, 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 bye.
Breakfast is ready.
See, it's so good still. Looks good.
Miles, do you like it?
How about the masubi?
Like your bacon? Good.
Anybody else want a tortilla? Just because it has good fiber in it.
Everyone's busy.
Do you want me to get one out for you?
Yes.
Yummy? The muffin looks really good.
Yeah.
Because it's the easy way to get it. Yeah.
Good morning.
Good morning. Not Hawaii.
Not Hawaii.
11 months. 11 months.
What did we find?
Miles, stay in there, not in the rocks, honey.
What did we find? A little mini golf. That's
And the
cool.
flag fell down.
We just need to find a ball.
Put in the back.
Do you see any in the hole, Miles?
Oh, so, look, it says hole 1.
Yeah, I'm just not sure where you would.
I think you get it from the gaming center.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, we're still trying to find it.
Let's go to the gaming center. Here's hole 2. Cool. Little putting green. We're getting water.
We're gonna go get some water, some ice from the pool. So we're just gonna walk over there, bring it back, bring him back.
Bring you good stuff. That being said, a couple pitfalls for him as a young player. Has to stay in the present. Sometimes with young guys, it's tough to stay in the present. You start thinking about maybe potentially lifting that trophy.
Okay, so this is where we get our water and ice. They're free.
One gallon din pala po.
Filled it up.
1 gallon.
Okay, we're almost done. You ready? All right, we got a wagon full of water now. Here comes the hooligans.
Here, Jen, we put some water.
Some water.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
Okay, let's keep going back. It's so hot.
It's hot, huh?
Wait, can I get in the?
Like some water, Luke. Get some water.
You're gonna walk barefoot.
Keep going, baby.
I put in his ice water.
Turned off Camille Velasco.
Huh?
What?
I said you turned off Camille Velasco.
Scared.
All right, we're gonna go to Target. It feels like 110 degrees right now. 130. Maybe close to 110, 112. Whew. We're gonna go to Target first. All right, we're here to go to Jen's aunt's house in Rancho Mirage. I've been invited for lunch, and this is where they live. Very nice community. Rancho Mirage, California. Here we go. Miles.
You're gonna go swimming now?
don't.